Okay, so I want to do a short video about amp setup and controls, channel switch, that kind of thing. So first of all, I just need to talk about the kettle lead. So this is a classic power connector. They call it kettle lead because it's like the old kettles, you know, it used to go in the back with 3-pin. So I would always carry spares of this around to power any amplifier. So first of all, here we have a guitar amp, Blackstar, small practice amp that I use for teaching. Let's talk about some of the settings here. So first of all, this particular amp has got several channels. It's got 2 clean, warm and bright. Let me just demonstrate that quickly. So you've got a nice clean, soft sound like this. Bright clean, just a little bit sharper. And then we'll go into the overdrive sounds. You've got a crunch here, super crunch. It'll start getting a little bit heavier here, so you've got an overdrive 1. And overdrive 2, so this will be really... So you see this amp's got various different channels. Now, lots of the bigger amps will actually come with their own channel switch pedal. What I mean there is that there'll be a pedal on the floor, it comes with the amp, and you can switch from the clean to the overdrive. So what I'm actually going to demonstrate here today is my own separate unit. Now this one here is a phenomenal overdrive pedal cymbal. It's Finnish made, and it simulates a Dumble amp, which is a very rare kind of amp. So this is a separate overdrive pedal. But essentially I'm just going to be switching here from clean to overdrive. So I've got the clean sound on the amp. Now the important thing here is that there needs to be a reasonable balance between the two. It's no good having the clean way too loud and then you go into overdrive and it's much quieter, and also vice versa. It's okay if the overdrive sound is a little bit above the clean in terms of level. That's perfectly normal. Because the overdrive is you tend to use it for things like choruses and things where you want a little bit more push. So I'll just give a few bars. It smells like Teen Spirit as an opening to show you how it works. So there you can see I've got a reasonable balance between the clean and the overdrive sounds. So that's it really. All amps will have an EQ to raise the bass, to raise the middle, to raise the treble. And that's all about balancing the overall sound that you get there. And the last thing I want to talk about is the effects. Most amps come with some kind of built-in effect. Now the most common one you're going to be coming across is reverb. Now you need to be aware that lots of students, candidates, developing musicians, inexperienced musicians confuse this with the word echo, and you'll hear that a lot. You know, a young candidate student might say, "Where's the echo?" I think actually what they mean most of the time is reverb. So let's take a quick look at that. Reverb here, switch on the amp. This one's got several different types. I prefer number 3 on there. And you get a little bit of room or hall reverb there. So you can turn the level up here if the student candidate wants a little more. Sounds much better for more spatial music if you want a bit more spatial awareness in the sound. So that's pretty much it really. Amp setup for electric guitarist. Thank you.